Jam. Candy. Donut. Lychee. Chocolate. Watermelon. Banana. Ice cream. Lemon. Vinegar. Yogurt. Grapefruit. Pineapple. Tamarind. Pickles. Lemon juice. Kale. Coffee. Bitter melon. Salt. Cheese. French fries. Soy sauce. Watermelon. Oh, sweet. Jam. Sweet, sweet. Lemon. Oh, sour.
Bitter or salty.
Cheese. Salty. Coffee. Oh, bitter. Bitter melon. Bitter.
Hello, today we're playing sweet or sour. If the fruit is sweet, it goes to sweet. If the fruit is sour, it goes to sour. Are you ready? Let's go.
Banana, kiwi, lemon, strawberry, orange, lychee, durian, fig.
Do you like? Hello my little friends, today we are playing a fun game called Do You Like? If you like it, say, yes I do. If you don't like it, say, no I don't. Ready? Let's start.
French fries. Do you like French fries?
Yes I do. Yay, crunch crunch.
Coffee. Now let's try something different. Coffee. Do you like coffee?
No, I don't. Too bitter for kids.
Bitter melon. Oh, bitter melon. Do you like bitter melon?
No, I don't. It's super bitter.
Yogurt. Next one is yogurt. Sweet, cold and yummy. Do you like yogurt?
Yes, I do.
Banana. Here comes a banana. Do you like bananas?
Yes, I do. Banana power.
Next one is pickles. Salty and sour. Do you like pickles?
No, I don't.
Oh wow, cheese. Do you like cheese?
Yes, I do.
And the last one, lemon. Do you like lemon?
No, I don't. So sour.